Here's a tutorial in Premiere Pro 2018 on how to do a freeze frame. So first of all, let's select from where to stop the video. Let's say from there. Okay, and that is one clip, it's ending here. So click anywhere onto that clip and insert frame hold segment. Click on that one. Okay, and the video was split on that position, the audio and the video. Then a still image is being added, and then the video continues. Okay, so let's preview it. The video is playing, the video stops, there's no audio, and the video continues. Okay, and you can hold the Ctrl and Alt key and you can make it shorter, or Ctrl and Alt and make it longer. And that's it, freeze frame inside Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, bye bye.